Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's Workshop. Now, dolls, this wonderful card comes from my precious doll, Frances, from Ecuador. So, that wonderful box of supplies that I got last month, she shares in this beautiful card made by her sister-in-law that she brought the box all the way from Ecuador and actually hand-delivered it to my post office box here in Michigan. Frances, I'm truly humbled and grateful for your kindness and generosity. Thank you so much, Frances, for allowing yourself to be a vessel to pour such a blessing into my life. I appreciate this more than I can explain. Now, this package comes from my precious doll, Latanya E., the one that sent me the 2 canopy beds and the dolls in an unboxing last month. And I will leave a link in the description so you can see that if you haven't seen it. But she sent me some really, really super fine green glitter. Now, this is the type of glitter that would be really great for some Christmas scenes or if you're going to add snow or something Christmassy. So that's going to come in really handy. And dolls, then I looked and look at this precious little blanket. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How precious is this? And it's folded perfectly. And look at that beautiful little embroidered image on the front. This is going to be so perfect for the dolls. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for the babies. This is so cute. She even included something for me. And it says, enjoy the little things. That's exactly right, Latanya. I am enjoying the little things. And I love that you always send me something for my kitchen. I can always use another dish towel. But dolls, then I looked and realized that this is a desk. This is a desk, dolls. Look at that. And it's all aged and everything. I think it really might work out well in the children's reading room. Oh, Latanya, thank you. Oh my goodness, but this is just so perfect and it just made my day. Oh, I just love how it's aged and worn and everything. It sincerely has the look of an artisan masterpiece. Now wait a minute, there's something in the drawer. Oh my goodness, Latanya, are you kidding me? It's diaper pins, dolls. I have seen a lot of miniatures. I have seen all types of things over the last 40 years, but I have never seen diaper pins. Latanya, this is literally the icing on the cake with the cherry on top for my mini baby essentials and inventory. Never in a million years would I ever thought I would have seen something like this, much less someone give it to me. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me tuck it back in here for safekeeping. Oh wait, let me make sure I check all the other drawers in case there are other surprises inside. Okay, I've checked and it's safe to say that there are no more surprises in the drawers, but this desk has really got me going. I really love the way it's finished, and I think it'll just fit in so well with the things at the rooming house. Okay, so dolls, let me stay focused. Latanya, thank you so much. You are absolutely just the sweetest. Now, dolls, she included a letter that she already sent me in my email, but this is a picture of her 2 precious babies that were sleeping while she was watching my videos. And although she told me what she was sending, seeing everything in person doesn't even compare to what I imagined. Thank you so much, Latanya. I really appreciate your kindness and generosity. I can honestly say I've never gotten anything like this. And Latanya, for you to end your letter in such a sweet and precious way, I have no words. This is truly strong language, but I appreciate you so much for saying something so kind. Thank you so much. I truly hope that what you're saying is true. Thank you again. Thank you. Now, this next box is from my precious doll, Carol K., and she says she ran out of bubble wrap. But it looks like everything arrived safely because this wagon is absolutely perfect. Plus, it'll give the boys something else to fight about. Oh my goodness, dolls, look at this. Another doll, Carol. The rooming house dollhouse will be bursting at the seams at this rate. Let me see what she looks like. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. Now, she's dressed very modern, but you know, dolls, I'm going to vintage her up. So let me sit her down while I look in here and see what else is in the box. Oh my goodness, Carol, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Look at this little fella. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. You dolls have already taken me through a whole range of emotion, but this doll is just too precious. So let me tuck him back in the bunting. And look at this. It's like a little baby carrier similar to the little Moses basket that I made. This is so cute. Oh, I can't wait to get to my table and vintage that up. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. It's a bag of goodies. Carol, you gotta be kidding me. Just a handful of baby treasures. Oh my goodness. I've got to show you dolls this. Look at all these precious little accessories. Oh my goodness. Now, dolls, I did unbox these and include some of these accessories in a previous video, and I will leave a link in the description so you can see it. But let me be careful because I don't want to mix anything up, because Carol sent me actually 2 boxes. So this is box number 1. And I'm just taking a moment to just admire this doll again. She's really, really pretty, and I'm thinking of all the things that I can do with her. But let me stay focused and open the second box. In her note or letter, she said that she sent the first box and then forgot to include some things, so she sent a second box. And dolls, I truly got tickled when I opened the box and saw the Santa Claus dish towel. That really made me laugh, because this was the time of year when my children were small that I would put all their toys in the layaway at Kmart. I know some of you young people don't know what Kmart is, but it was our version of Walmart. And the card was so precious because she said she hoped I could use these. These are dolls to a doll. And she thanked me for giving her things a good home. And Carol, I truly feel honored that you are trusting me to give them a good home and take good care of them. But Carol, when I saw this one, it just touches me in such a special way, because when I was a little girl, they didn't have dolls like this. It wasn't even an option. It was only a dream in my mind. That's one of the reasons I started making my own dolls. And he's so beautiful. I don't even know what to say. He is just absolutely precious. And I just can't even, it's just unbelievable how cute he is. And what is he made out of? Like, look at it. See, he moves. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Okay, let me calm down. And look at this little precious one with his thumb in his mouth. Oh my goodness, just babies, babies, babies. And look at this one. Oh my goodness, Carol. A box of babies. A box of babies. And look at this little girl. Oh my goodness. Dolls, we have got babies on tap. I mean, it's going to be a baby explosion in the room and house community. Just look at this little sweetie pie. Oh my goodness. Wait, it's even a couple large babies in here, dolls. Look at this. But wait, I've got to give you a close-up on his hair. Dolls, do you see this haircut on this little guy? He is too much. Wait a minute, this is not a baby. Oh my goodness, there's another lady doll. And she's very similar to the other one. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful and her dress is gorgeous. Look at this, dolls. Maybe I can make her and the other doll sisters or even twins. Okay, and there's another doll inside. Okay, maybe I can make her like their mom. If the doll community starts having babies at this rate, people will begin to whisper. But they're probably already whispering, so let's go for it. Well, hello, look at you. Oh my goodness, she has on a little red sweater. And I really love how curly her hair is. So I've got one last doll that she wrapped separately, and she said she's weird, so I'm not sure. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to work with her, because a doll that needs help with their proportions, that's why I'm here. I can help her out, so no worries. We'll get her all fixed up. But dolls, look at all these beautiful children and babies. I mean, this is truly, truly, truly just a wonderful, wonderful unboxing. And I can't tell you how excited I am about getting them all dressed and getting them placed with families and just having fun with them, because they're all so adorable. I just can't get over his haircut. And dolls, look at the tiny coveralls, and he even has on little red shoes. I mean, come on, just adorable. Oh, wait, and the shoes actually come off. Look at that, and his little tiny foot. But I have to really tell you, I'm truly just so excited about these little silicone ones. I hope they're not too big for the scale of the dolls, because they're so beautiful and I really, really want to use them. But let me calm down and just put everything out so you can see the rest of them. Now here are all the lovely ladies from the collection, and those are the 2 I was considering making sisters. And then here is the crib and the little baby carrier that I can't wait to vintage up. And here are the 2 silicone babies. I didn't even realize the first one doesn't have a face yet. So I've got plenty of work to do to get all these babies, children, and ladies all together and get everybody assigned to their families. And Carol, I absolutely love everything in this wonderful bundle, so I can start working on the next batch of babies. Now, dolls, just when I thought that I had wrapped up everything, and I was just sitting here admiring all the dolls and especially the babies, imagining how to add them into the stories, and then I realized I had one more package to open. Now, this lovely package comes from my precious doll that goes by the name of Raggedy Pal. And the packaging was so unusual, I didn't know what to think. The outside was saying it was fragile and that it was a photo to keep flat. And although I have received photos before, never anything this big, so I was really, really curious to see what was inside. And it was wrapped very well. And look at this, dolls. Look at this. It's a stork. It's actually a picture of a stork, but look really closely. It's two babies. It's two babies. Oh my goodness, dolls, look at that. Look at these two babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This just takes the cake. I don't even know what to say, dolls. I do not even know what to say. If I didn't know better, I would think you dolls were in cahoots. Okay, so dolls, I couldn't wait any longer. I had to know if the dolls or babies would fit with the ladies of the rooming house. So I'm back up in my craft room and I'm trying to remove the babies from their stork delivery packaging. Jacqueline D., I hope it's okay for me to remove this. I hope you didn't intend for me to leave it on the picture. I just can't resist. Look at this little doll. Oh, and it's a girl and a boy. Oh my goodness. How precious is this? And their eyes are so beautiful. They already have diapers on. No, they both have bottles. Okay. Well, I guess we do have two babies that are not actually breastfeeding or nursing, but it's okay. It's okay. They're absolutely lovely, and I'm going to definitely work them into the doll stories. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I'm so tickled about the little stork picture, and I'm definitely going to think of a way to preserve it and maybe even memorialize it for this season in my channel when I got the stork delivery for the little babies. This is so precious. Now let me show you how nicely this doll fits with Aunt Janie in her arms. He's the perfect scale. I was so worried that they may be too big or something, but this is perfect. I'm so happy to see that. And she can hold him nicely now. Aunt Janie was one of my original designs, so her arms were made with pipe cleaners rather than electrical wires, so they don't maintain their shape the same way as my newer designs. So sometimes it's difficult to get things to stay in her arms, but I think she's going to hold the babies nicely. So here I have Miss Marva, Marguerite's mother, holding the two silicone babies, and she looks like she's managing them pretty well. She's got both the babies in her arms, and the more I look at that one little silicone baby, the one without the face, kind of looks like he has red hair, and that's giving me ideas because it makes me think about the three little boy dolls that I bought recently that all have light hair and freckles. And it's so amazing how my ideas and my gifts all blend together. It's like it's all planned. So it's clear to me these babies are going to fit into the doll stories perfectly. I just want to say thank you for all these lovely gifts. This has truly been a precious unboxing. So dolls, I'm about to get off of here so I can go back and go through the boxes, laugh and cry some more. But if you enjoyed this video today and want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. And always look for me on Mondays after 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And until next time, I'm looking forward to seeing you all right here on Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.